Nice guys finish last. That's
Hi, today we will be spraying the door handles.
not what I really wanna do.
Here is the finished look.
You only date bad guys, so I'll give you my best try to treat you the way you want.
For this project, you will need a disposable cup, a flathead brush, and the Plasti Dip spray. I will be using the matte black.
You just have to hack it, cause I'd be cold too if I gave you my jacket. Like, whoa, you ain't sitting up front. Front is for the homies, you can sit in the trunk. I'll never answer my phone.
There's a gap between each part. It will be easy to clean up. My type of door handle, when you pull out, the side part needs to be coloured as well. We will be colouring this part first before spraying the whole handle. Before starting, clean the door handle to remove oil and dry properly.
Treat you the way you want me to.
And I'ma beat you in every competition. Going out with the girls, you better get my permission. Wait, no, I take that back, you can't go.
Find a thick cloth to place behind the door handle.
Hell yeah, you do. Wait, let me speak your language. Cows go moo.
Spray into the cup and then use the brush to paint the side part first. It will be easier to paint it when the spray is not so watery.
Like trash is now what I really want to do. Oh, you only date bad guys, so I'll give you my best try to treat you the way you want me to. But behind the scenes, she means the world to me. I wanna tell her that she's beautiful and show her that she's alone. Hold her hand when she's scared. Tell her how much I care.
After 10 minutes, remove the cloth. As usual, mask the areas around the handle.
Finish last, that's why I'll treat you like trash. Now what I really want to do.
And then we are going to paint the inside part of the handle.
I'll give it my best try to treat you the way you want me to. Nice guys finish last. That's why I'll treat you like trash. It's not what
Next,
I really
find a
want.
piece of tape to cover the keyhole. Then we are good to go.
You only date bad guys, so I'll give you my best try to treat you the way you want me to.
I'll never open the door or pull out a chair. You can tell me how your day was, but I don't really care. Cause I'd be cold too if I gave you my jacket. Like, whoa.
When spraying, concentrate on the top parts first. Make sure they are fully covered.
Whenever you call it, and when the waiter brings the bill, I never reach for my wallet.
Nice guys finish last.
Check for uneven areas after each coat.
Now what I really want to do. You only date bad guys, so I'll give it my best try to treat you the way you want me to.
After 3 coats, it is already looking good.
In every competition, going out with the girls, you better get my permission. Wait, no, I take that back, you can't go. House is on tonight, and that's my
Matte black shows dirt easy, so I'll be spraying one more coat of glossifier.
Let me speak your language. Cows go moo.
Nice guys finish last. That's why I'll treat you like trash. Now what I really want to do.
We are almost done here. The next step is optional. After the spray is dried, find a tape with a similar colour and place it behind the handle for extra protection. If you cut it in the correct size, you won't see the tape from the top.
To me, I wanna tell her that she's beautiful and show her that she's alone. Hold her hand when she's scared. Tell her how much I care, but that won't win her heart because nice guys finish last.
Now we can remove the extra spray.
Now what I really want to do. Oh, but you only date bad guys, so I'll give it my best try to treat you the way you want me to.
Oh,
finish last. That's why I'll treat you like trash. It's not what I really wanna do, but you only date bad guys.
This is the overall look of my car after spraying the handles.
You want me to.
I made a mistake here. I shouldn't have removed the spray from the keyhole. The tape doesn't really show up and you rarely use the keyhole anyway. Here's the look before removing the spray. That's it. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.
And when the waiter brings the bill, I never reach for my wallet.